Are you ready to unlock new career opportunities from the comfort of your own home? Today, I am diving into the best Google certification courses available for free in 2024 that can catapult you into high-paying remote jobs. Make sure you stick around to the end because I've got a special bonus for all freelancers looking to land on more gigs with a proven proposal template. Let's get started. From boosting your productivity with Gmail to navigating new places with Google Maps, Google's suite of tools has transformed our digital lives. But did you know Google can also skyrocket your professional skills? Today, I am revealing how you can earn prestigious certificates and badges from Google completely free. The first is Google Cloud Skills Boost. This platform evolved from QuickLab, offers hands-on learning to master the Google Cloud. These courses pack a punch, from data management to AI and machine learning. Interested? Check out the link in the description for all the details on free certifications and badges available. Why Google Cloud? Because businesses worldwide are migrating to the cloud. There is an increasing demand for skilled cloud professionals. Position yourself at the forefront of these tech wave. Next, we explore the Google Analytics certification. With the shift to Google Analytics 4, Google introduced fresh, comprehensive courses. Pass their assessment with 80% or higher, and you, Viola, have earned a recognized certificate, boosting your resume and online credibility. Delay in certificate issuance? No worries, it's usually resolved within a day. On to Google Skills Shop. Whether it's mastering Google Ads or navigating the Google marketing platform, Skills Shop provide extensive training. This year, they are offering 9 courses with a certificate that prove your expertise to potential employers. Curious? The link to these courses is waiting for you below. For the aspiring developers out there, Google Developer Platform is your playground. With over 1,000 courses from beginner to advanced, this platform is tailored for those who dream in code. Some courses even prepare you for paid exams, setting you on a path to becoming a certified developer. Ready to level up your skills and career with these free Google certifications? Links to all resources are in the description below. And hey, if you're a freelancer eager to win more projects on Upwork, don't miss out on my free Upwork proposal guidance. I've leveraged my experience to earn over $1 million as a freelance coach, and I'm here to help you do the same. Click the link to join my course and start transforming your proposal today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like these. Drop a comment below on which certification you're planning to pursue or any questions you might have about remote work and Google certifications. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.